Hello all, this is Mehmet Ali. We are recording this video for Tron Hackathon Season 5 Web3 track as we are entering with our project for Tron blockchain, which is decentralized IT services, as we name it, Gmdestek.com, which is an decentralized IT service platform powered by Web3 technologies and multiple APIs and logics. So thereby, let's proceed with the process. You will be seeing two screens. The upper one is the customer, the company screen. The lower one, the above screen is the BTT screen, which we name it as a bilişim teknolojileri takımı. It is an IT service team, operationally decentralized throughout the Turkey, the country. The project is specifically designed for the Turkish market, which exists $2 billion IT services market, according to the research for our country. So let's proceed with the consumer, with the customer part. Basically, we will be creating a customer contact, customer company onboarding process, and then we will be creating a customer contact for the representation of that company. We will be creating a ticket, a service request ticket related with an IT service. We will be doing a payment process via credit card with APIs, financial banking system, and we will a service request will drop in a pool. So a BTT, which is around 50 IT service technicians right now, will drop in a pool. Within that pool, the IT service technicians, the BTTs, will withdraw according to their needs. If they are on the computer right now, they will withdraw the ticket. If they do not want to withdraw, no matter, someone will take the ticket, and right then he will or she will provide a remote service, remote support via remote connection tools, and then he or she will be closing the ticket and get rewarded with our token GM coin in this regard, automatically with smart contract logic. So let's proceed. We will be creating a customer, a company right now, searching the Google currently, Gmdestek, and we will be clicking on our portal. This is the front end actually. Not to forget that the customers has to log in with their wallets. We are working on Nil Tron testnet right now for this demo. And we have a company, ABC Industrial, as given in this example, and we have a wallet starting with TP6, which is a Nil testnet wallet currently. And you can see that the wallet is deactivated right now. As you can see, there is no bandwidth, which is supposed to 600 currently, according to the Tron blockchain. So in this example, we will be creating a ticket on the customer side. So the customer wants to get service, and he clicks on Destek Al, which is get support in English. And as you can see, our Tron logic has fetched the Tron blockchain Web3 public address in this example. So since it has not matched with our current CRM database, the customer is supposed to enter his or her company details to get service. So let's proceed. The texts are in Turkish, but basically we are entering some information about company here, like phone number, like email address, and like invoice, number, etc. VAT number, etc. So in this example, the customer has a email, GM, let's see, Gmdestek customer 01 at gmail.com. So Gmdestek and we are entering the other details of the customer, and there is a reference Web3 wallet here. We have actually 3 teams in our project. BTT team, who are supposed to give service requests to complete to help the companies to complete their problems, to solve their problems, and we have an SGT team who are supposed to give reference to the platform. Thereby, once they give references for the customers. Once the customer gets enters a service request to the platform, and if it is completed, the reference wallet will be automatically rewarded with GM coin with our smart contract logic. But this is not the exact case of this video, so we are proceeding with the BTT part, which is the IT service technician part. So we are giving a blank field here. So in this example, we have entered the company details, and within a few seconds, the customer will get an email from our hybrid platforms. Let's wait a few seconds, and then we will see an email here. The first step, we have completed the company onboarding process. It says Gmdestek company record has been created with this wallet address. It is very important that since our all authentication methods is working on Web3 Tron blockchain, so the customers, the companies, the contacts, the BTTs, the SGTs, the GTs, the insider teams also must be able to log on, must authenticate, must associate with their Web3 wallet addresses. So in this example, we are using TronLink with Google Chrome extension here. So let's proceed. The company onboarded to our CRM system, and the company representative, which is a contact here, supposed to give his name, surname, and mobile and email in this logic. So I am writing the details, demo details. I am giving the same email address is in this example. Right now, we have also onboarded the contact part of the customer of the company. As you can see, this is an portal that the customers, that the companies will be able to create ticket within this portal. There are some informative details as well. So let's see the email part. According to this logic, the contact email also gets informed since they have entered their contact details. So as you can see, Gmdestek company contact details has been entered to our database, as you can see. So right now, till now, we have onboarded company, we have onboarded the contact representative of that company. And right now, we will be creating a ticket, a service request ticket, an IT ticket, information technology problem ticket. So let's proceed. In this example, the customer has a problem which is unable to search files within his or her computer. So our logic says it is 800 Turkish lira plus VAT. So he says okay. Then he's or she's creating a ticket. Then he clicks on the create ticket button. It says, our platform says the ticket number, the service request number with 2415 has been created for this customer specifically. So right now, the next step, the customer must pay the amount of this service request, but prior that, he is seeing a legal binding contract that the services will be given like this. So let's proceed. And right now, we have options for credit card payment, which we use financial APIs in this project. We have banking through banking system, EFT payment systems, electronic fund transfers, and moreover, we have also integrated paying with Gmcoin, which is our own company token on behalf of this project. But currently, Turkey legal frameworks is not supported to pay with Gmcoin, so we are just waiting for the legal bindings to be completed. So in this example, we will be paying with credit card. We use financial APIs here. I am entering the credit card details. Clicked on the pay button, and in our Turkey framework, we get an SMS here. And then, as you can see, the payment has been received by our APIs, by our banking system, by our credit card system, and a ticket has been created successfully for this payment. The ticket number is 2415, which will be used for connecting BTT IT service technicians in this example. How will the IT service technicians will connect is that the customer must click here or here to download an agent for remote connection. So I just click on the service request number, and it says, an executable has been downloaded, about 80 kilobytes, just a small one, and UAC warning has been appeared, and I say yes, run this. And as you can see on the system tray, on the system panel for Windows, an icon has appeared. This is a one-time process. Once the service request has been completed, this executable will immediately close and destruct itself, and the customer is able to message with our IT service technicians through this platform as well. And as you can see, the customer has informed that his or her ticket has been created, and right now with the number 2415. So let's go to the BTT part. Right now, the process till now, we have created a company, we have created a customer, we have created a ticket, we have paid for it with credit card, and the operational decentralization starts here. We have about 50, 60 IT service technicians which are distributed throughout the Turkey. They may be working in a company, they may be a student, or they may be at home currently or playing a game, but all of these BTTs has been informed that an IT service request, a ticket has been created with this number, with these details for this customer. So let's look at the below part of the screen. This is the BTT screen. As you can see, this is the BTT email. This is the BTT remote connection platform. This is the BTT service request list, help desk portal, and this is the platform, this is the Discord server and channels that we used for insider communications with these teams. And moreover, there are Telegram channels, and we also inform BTT team with SMS and with email as well. So this service request has been informed in Discord server, in this ST Discord channel, in this example. So all IT service technicians sees that, and once they are available and believe they can solve this issue, help for this customer, they click on this link. And as you can see, they see that once it is solved successfully, they will get approximately 155 GM coin via our unmatched smart contract logic in this example. So the BTT team, which in this example, a BTT with starting with this wallet, and the wallet is already being connected to our platforms, will withdraw the ticket. He believes that he can solve this ticket, and he withdraws the ticket to himself, which is the name Battal Gazi in this example, and he sets the status as ongoing for this ticket. And right now, the BTT IT service personnel, IT expert, IT professional, IT service professional is supposed to connect to the customer's asset, customer's computer. In this example, our remote connection system, since the customer already installed our executable, agent executable, the BTT is able to connect the machine directly with this. All connections has been recorded for legal and audit purposes. So in this example, Battal Gazi withdraws the ticket himself, as he believes he can solve this ticket, and connected to the customer's machine in a decentralized manner operationally. So he or she can also able to message from this screen, and we have multiple voice communication methods. All has been recorded according to the Turkish laws. So let's proceed to solve the ticket. In this example, the customer is unable to search files and folders, which Windows search functionality may not be working. So as you can see, when we search for test file, it is not finding anything. So let's go to the services part for this Windows machine, and this is just an example. Let's start this Windows search service. So as you can see, the Windows search has been stopped and set to disabled, and we enabled it and set it as started. And right now, as you can see, when we look for the test file, we can find this file from Windows search bars. So in this example, the service request has been completed successfully, and the BTT service technician is leaving the asset, leaving the computer, leaving the Windows machine as he closes his remote connection session. And this session has been recorded as well for security purposes. And let's see that once the ticket remote connection has been closed, he or she not be able to connect again. And right then, the BTT IT service technician goes to his help desk portal and says Windows search has been started and set to automatic mode for this service request in this example. And the IT service technician, the BTT in this example, gives a brief information about how the ticket is solved or resolved. So as you can see, he has noted some text here and sets the ticket as successful. Once the ticket has been set to successful, our smart contract magics works here. As you can see, look at the customer part. The wallet was deactivated when we started the process. But right now, the Tron wallet, the Web3 public key, has been activated by our smart contract logic. And as you know, 600 bandwidth has been filled after the activation of the wallet. So this also ensures that all our customers, all our teams has been onboarded on Tron blockchain, which is a very very good process, very successful process for using a Web3 blockchain in a real life scenario, in a real life industrial IT service scenario. So let's look at the BTT part again. And the BTT sets the ticket as it closed successfully. So he sets the ticket status to closed. And right now, some other smart contract logics also appears here, works out here. And in this example, the ticket is closed and the remote connection has been made and everything is going as planned. And once we look at the pool, as you can see, since this ticket has been closed, no other BTTs sees this ticket again. It is closed. And let's proceed with the customer part again. On the customer's screen, I click refresh, and there is a warning sign on the customer part. Since the ticket is successfully closed, it says the ticket number with 2415 has been successfully closed. Is it okay for you? It says, the customer says, yes, I approve this. And a wallet connection is appearing, and the customer signs the smart contracts as it says it is approved. And right now, our smart contract logic worked. As you can see, the bandwidth of the customer has been decreased a bit. However, for our smart contract, we maintain energy costs here by staking a big amount of Tron in Tron blockchain from our wallets. But if you look at the BTT part, IT service technician part, if you look at the IT service technician wallet, as you can see, all rewarding system has been designed for our own token, GM coin, which is already implemented, which is already integrated and easily can be traded for about 2 years on 4 cryptocurrency exchanges, which is a liquid asset currently, has been delivered to the BTT wallet. As you can see, prior withdrawing the ticket, the BTT was seeing a reward like 155.32. So he has been rewarded by our smart contract on behalf of closing this ticket. And if we think about the whole process, the ticket rewarding mechanism is completely decentralized, and just focus on the operational part. We have hundreds of BTT IT service technicians, IT experts all over the Turkey, which are operationally decentralized. So for this Tron Hackathon 5th season Web3 track, we believe this Gmdestek.com decentralization of the IT services with the tokenization concept is a key changer, game changer for this blockchain era, for this blockchain industry and Web3 technologies. So we need your support for telling people how a real life business scenario works on Web3. So thank you all. I believe this video is clear and has been informative for how our Web3 portal is working. Thank you so much.